Have you ever received a credit card you really didn't want? Well, how about 2,000 of them? A New York man is digging out of a plethora of plastics. Details now from Tim Fleischer of CNN affiliate WABC.
Just 2 credit cards. That's all Frank Van Buren wanted. They sent you how many?
A total of 2,000.
2,000. All with the same account number.
This is only one box.
You got 2 of these boxes?
Yes, I got 2 of these boxes. One about 4 or 5 weeks ago. And then I found this on Monday morning in the hallway where anybody could take it.
And not just take it, look on the back. Not one with an activation strip. Your account would be trashed.
Yeah, that's my opinion. I asked them about that. I didn't get an answer.
Especially now, with credit card fraud and identity theft, major consumer concerns.
Identity theft is one issue, corporate responsibility is another issue, and customer service is the third issue.
You know, it's scary. You just have to be really careful with who you give information to.
From ExxonMobil, frustratingly, Frank says,
they told me they will not take them back.
What were you going to do with 2,000 credit cards?
I'd have to shred them again. I'd have to have someone spend 3 hours on a little shredder shredding these things.
Each one of these?
Yeah.
How would you get rid of them?
I'm such a compulsive person, I'd probably cut them up individually and then write a letter back to Exxon informing them the same.
Here I am. I've got this dilemma. I have work to do, and I've got to shred. It's good exercise.
An exercise in frustration.
ExxonMobil says it is investigating how it issued so many cards.